Hey, I'm Chini. And welcome to Chini's world.
Hey cutie, today I'm going to show you how to make this famous strawberry letter.
Okay, so first we need a poster board that it's like this kind of poster board. And then you pick your letter and draw it. And I'm going to show you how I do it.
So first what I'm doing is that I'm measuring how big I want the letter, and then I find a reference. I use a block. I didn't have a ruler, so I'm just using a block, and then I'm just eyeballing and just freehand the letter. In this case it's the A. This step is the step where you figure out if you want it big or if you want it to be a little thick. It just all depends on how you want to make it. After that, you just grab an X-Acto knife and go over the lines. You can find an X-Acto knife at the Dollar Tree nowadays. So if it looks kind of ugly, don't fret. There's a lot of different options you can use. In this case, what I did to cover all this ugliness is use scrapbook paper. If you're gonna use scrapbook paper, do what I'm doing here, which is tracing it on the back and then you cut it, and then it's gonna be easier for you to cover it when gluing. To make the sides, all you do is measure out the length of the letter and then cut rectangles, and make sure that you cut all the rectangles the same height, that way they all connect and doesn't look lopsided. Once you have your rectangles, you go ahead and hot glue them, and this is how it's gonna look. So I didn't end up liking how the back looked, so I decided to paint it. This step is optional. And for the top of the sides, I decided to put glitter. I did use some school glue, but I recommend Mod Podge, and you'll see why.
If you're gonna do the glitter on the border, do it by sections, because you'll have this. And we don't want that. So I have to redo it and do it by sections and have tight glue lines, or else you'll get that.
Doing it by small sections, it's way easier.
Oh!
And with that, that's how you get the little famous TikTok box. And for the inside, you can add whatever you like. It could be strawberries, little gifts, anything. It's really customizable and up to you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment and let me know what you think. Bye!